Alright, so I tried to take a short down here, kind of expecting this range to hold. That did not end up working. So do have a lot of buyers coming in here. Got this resistance level above us. See what the reaction is up here at the resistance. Did have a quick little wick off of it. Market's moving higher. Buyers are still coming in here. I think I'd like to try and get long. I'll try again here. I don't want that sell order there. I feel like I'm not quite giving it enough room. A lot of buyers left out to dry up here. Quick reaction there. So down quite a bit on this account. Not a super big deal, so I'll use real small stops here. To me, it looks like this breakout's failing. Don't know that I really want to be long anywhere in there. Shorts are taking over a bit in here. See if we can get through here. If so, then we'll give this another shot at a long. Yeah, I like this situation here. Very nice. See all these shorts stacked up right here, but a lot of limit buyers holding the market up there. So, and we're still getting aggression from buyers, more aggression from buyers on the way up here. I'll try and get in again here. It's an old resistance area there, just blowing right through it. Limit sellers here lost. Buyers are staying aggressive up here, but I don't want to get in all the way up there. Continuing to be aggressive up here. Moving into a lower volume area. If buyers spike it back up, I want to get in. There we go, nice. Down 25 bucks on this account here, not too bad. After commissions, probably more than that, really, but losing some aggression from buyers here. Okay, they're coming back in right around here. So we had a lot of limit buyers holding the market up at that level on the previous bar, actually. And then a lot of limit buyers down here. So this might be a good spot to try if it comes back in there. Buyers and sellers both being pretty aggressive here at 77.75. Okay, so you want to get out of this pretty quick if we get stopped in. On at this level, kind of interesting. That's low volume node holding price up a bit. I don't want to get short. Remove that. Just wanted that to be my exit up here. Limit sellers holding the market down right there at 80. Buyers continuing to push it above that. So if we can get above this bar here, consider buying. Oh yeah, lots of aggression coming in right there. So let's try that. Okay. Didn't really want my stop to be as far away as it was, but I just didn't want to get ticked right out of it when I was really expecting the aggression up here to continue. Hit the close button, remove all those orders. I'll buy it with a limit or a stop order if we come back up there. Sellers came in more aggressive in here, but appears limit orders from buyers are holding the market up a bit. Okay, there we go. Might have gotten out too early there. I was just seeing a little bit too much back and forth, a little bit too much stalling there. Evidence that sellers were holding the market down a bit. So now it's clear I should have stayed in it, but that's okay. Basically break even for the day on this account here. So let's maybe go for one more here. Lots of aggression still coming in here. Sellers are not. Yeah, there we go. A lot of times when you see these large delta bubbles appear, this market can't get through that real quickly. It's gonna dip the other way here. Give it one more shot. Ooh, sellers jumped in pretty heavy right there. I think I'm gonna cancel that. Sellers are jumping in real heavy right here. This could be buyer's exhaustion there. So that would have been my entry. All right, yeah, so we would have been fine, but oh boy. Yeah, we would have been more than fine. That would have been actually a perfect entry. I was just really worried about all the sellers coming in right here. And again, up here. They're really coming in hard. Let's take a look at our context again here. Oh, okay, so yeah, we broke above this 9 o'clock high. So I understand why sellers are jumping in right here. I try not to pay. Ooh, no. Try not to pay too much attention to all that context because it can be very difficult to read, and you don't want to. I want to make my trades based off of the order flow, not based off of market formations from an hour ago. So I like to be pretty zoomed in here while I'm deciding what entries to take. In any case, even had I known about that context here, I probably would have skipped this trade just because if the 9 o'clock high here, we're breaking above it and we see all these sellers come in, that would have been more of a reason to stay out of a long position. So much aggression right now from both sides. I'd like to see the market come back to here and have sellers give up on that. That would be their chance to get out and maybe even reverse. I don't really want to be a buyer all the way up here. We didn't get enough of a follow through above there for me to want to be buying there, but could have, but yeah, it may have been stopped out. Or stop below this bar here. Some limit buyers holding the market up a little bit right there. Hoping for a real quick scalp off of this this level here. Man, buyers are just being extremely aggressive right now. Buyers appear to be holding the market up a bit with limit orders right through here. Oh no. All right. Well, that one did not work. See if sellers can give up here or not. Decrease the size of my stop here. There we go, that's nice. Feeling frustration coming in a little bit here. So I'm basically just break even on this today. This trade right here, this one just didn't make any sense. There were, you know, limit buyers. This is not really my setup though. See, like right here, there's limit buyers holding the market up a little bit, but this is not my setup to go long. So that was really, you know, not a very good trade trying to get long in there. This one back here is this one makes sense. All these sellers coming in here, there were lots of limit buyers holding the market down. Holding the market up, and the market broke through that, and we continue to see aggressive buying. So this is, you know, the correct place to be entering into a long position. I think just getting a little bit antsy and taking this first trade up here just didn't really make sense. There's not really a reason for it. This one that I skipped back here, I'm glad I did, because I think I would have been stopped on that most likely. It's where my stop would have been. Aggression from both sides has really died off here. I think it seems like we're gonna want to take this high out up here. If I want to get long, it's gonna have to be right here. I have to use a pretty small stop. Take the risk off the table there. That's too bad. $10 made in reality like $8. I'm obviously feeling a little too antsy here, so we're gonna call it. That would have been a really good trade, really great entry, but I was too scared of it being a loss, which tells me I need to just continue for at least for a while here and come back maybe later.